I'm Beshir Noureldin, a partner at More Egypt. The real estate and construction industries in Egypt have been rapidly growing since 2012. The sector has now grown into being one of Egypt's largest sectors in terms of market value. The growth was initially triggered by the new urban developments in the early 2000s, the two areas being New Cairo and the 6th of October city, which catered to Cairo's growing population, which today sits at 20 million. These relatively new areas were not able to solve Cairo's traffic and growing population and traffic issues. As such, the current Egyptian government made a decision to create a new capital city, which was named Al Massa. The new capital is located in the southern outskirts of New Cairo. The new capital will see all government institutions and embassies move to the new city. The new capital has already attracted all major banks to set up their new headquarters in this new city. The government has also decided to create another mega project between Alexandria and the borders with Libya. They've named this new city Al Alamein City. Both mega projects have created a great demand on construction, property developers, both residential and commercial, and infrastructure companies. The new cities will integrate new means of public transportation as well as the integration of new technologies, such as the monorail, underground subway, and that would initially connect all suburbs within Cairo and Greater Cairo to these new cities. These projects have already attracted many multinational companies to set shop in Egypt with the intention to win bids and tenders in both projects. Many of these companies are in transport, energy, network towers, and fiber optics. The services currently offered to our clients in this sector is advisory, mainly in feasibility studies and capital raising, as well as tax and audit. The FRA, which stands for the Egyptian Financial Regulatory Authority, which oversees public companies traded on the Egyptian Stock Exchange, has made it mandatory for companies to report on their CSR activities. This is all obviously going to prompt demand on the CSR and sustainability reporting in both publicly listed and private companies in the industry, given that many public tenders would lean more to companies who are actively engaging and giving back to the community. This is something we at More Egypt are currently looking into being trendsetters in the Egyptian market by assisting in creating CSR advisory arm at our firm to help companies embed this new ideology within their company's cultures. We're also looking at creating a real estate and construction group that would initially be more active in workshops and seminars given specifically for companies within that industry, and being more active in property development and construction and infrastructure fairs that are being held in Egypt from time to time.